Hi, everybody. I'm going to try and walk through some of the fears I had whenever I first got out of school and started my career. The semester before I graduated, I had already gotten a job. So I was like, woo, this is amazing. I'm not going to have that super stressful last semester that everybody has and freaks out. Am I going to get a job? But then I still got anxious. That imposter syndrome set in. Like, am I going to be good at my job, though? Am I going to keep my job? I'm going to try and alleviate some of that for you guys and show you what has worked for me. I've gotten to work on fighter jets, on commercial airliners, on satellite systems, on control moment gyros, isolation systems, reaction wheels, space stuff. I've actually built, tested, and set up parts for stuff that's going to be on satellites or actually the Orion space capsule. So if you get involved and put yourself into it, you can quickly spread yourself out and get experienced in a lot of things. One of the things that I did to set myself up for success right away, and I realized this, I'm a hands-on person. So right away, during my interview, I told my to-be boss, I want to be able to have the freedom to go out to a flight line, get underneath an APU and change the oil, do some stuff like that. He got excited. That ended up being a really good thing because now my boss, he gives me those cool jobs. He knew that I was willing to go out and look for more stuff and I wanted to make myself personally better. That's a plus on your boss card. One of the things they do look for is the ability to pick up any project and really just run with it. They also want you to be able to keep your skills for project management and stuff like that. You got to be on time, under budget, and get the job done right. It's very important. So skills development, what does it look like in the job place? There's usually a few different ways and each business is different. So I actually went out and got my own rotation programs as well. There's mentorship. It's awesome to be able to have someone or even other people in your industry that you go talk to and say, I don't know how to do this process, and they'll walk you through it. It's a really good way to learn stuff that's not on paper, that you can't just readily pick up. That's actually really important right now for a lot of companies. A lot of companies are aging. There's a giant boom of people that are about to retire, and they really want to get the younger generation exposed to everybody so that they pick up the stuff that's not, just in a book somewhere, that is usually company specific, how people do things, the way you look at things, how they do business in general. But one of the most powerful things that I've seen as far as skill development is just curiosity. Anytime I get involved with a project, I want to pull up all the blueprints. I want to see how it works. It really helps you when you want to actually get involved and work hands-on with it, get starting. That's how you're going to be most successful at your career. All right, thank you.